Do you like oysters?
God, look at how neat they are.
I do. Let's get it ready. Let's see if you can see it. Hold on. Isn't that huge?
This lamb. Fucking delicious.
So you make it long to the lamb?
Yeah.
By the way, you're going to be on my story on TikTok
That's
with
cool.
all that sound.
Listen, wait. Let me show them a lamb chop so they can see it.
Let's have some oysters.
Lamb.
That is so fresh. Wait, I'm not finished, guys. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Hold on. Wow. That is. I'll drop it. I gotta get a picture of that.
Steak with marrow. Right? Is that what it was? Steak tartare
With marrow.
with marrow.
Tartare is raw, right?
Yes. Matter of fact, let's try that too. Hold on. I'm gonna run out of time.
This was a great choice.
Absolutely fabulous.
Get your picture.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, I'm recording. Can you get your picture?
Okay.
I got a picture. I'll send it to you.
Did you?
Go ahead.
Okay. Not my best picture, but it'll do. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a go.
¿Cómo es tu nombre?
I mean, I'm here now.
Nadie nos vuelves a cruzar la casa, Jorge.
It's over. But I must say, I don't like them.
What? It almost tastes like a burger.
Well, good.
See what I'm saying?
Oh my God.
See what I'm saying?
This is amazing.
I think it is.
There's no way.
I think it is.
Y'all need to get this. We're at
I'm
Bar
pretty sure
Boqueria in Barcelona, Spain.
I'm pretty
Get
sure.
it. Get it. Bye.